In Sugarland, where homes are known for their curb appeal, spacious layouts, and family-friendly neighborhoods, buyers pay close attention to design features that enhance both beauty and comfort. One upgrade that consistently adds value and attracts buyers is the installation of picture windows. These large, fixed windows do more than offer a clear view. They elevate the overall appeal and market value of a home in Sugarland's competitive real estate market. A strong first impression for buyers. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. Picture windows create an immediate, wow, factor when potential buyers walk into a living room or main gathering space. Their expansive glass design floods rooms with natural light, making interiors feel brighter, more open, and more welcoming. In Sugarland, where buyers often tour multiple homes in a single day, this visual impact helps a property stand out and linger in their memory. Natural light also makes rooms appear larger, cleaner, and more modern, qualities that buyers associate with well-maintained, high-value homes. Even older properties can feel refreshed and updated with the addition of a well-placed picture window. Highlighting Sugarland's scenic appeal, many Sugarland homes are located near landscaped yards, lakes, golf courses, or tree-lined streets. Picture windows frame these views like artwork, allowing homeowners and buyers alike to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of indoors. This connection to the surrounding environment adds emotional value, helping buyers envision themselves relaxing, entertaining, or spending time with family in the space. Homes that successfully showcase their surroundings often command higher offers, as buyers perceive them as more peaceful, luxurious, and thoughtfully designed. Energy efficiency that adds long-term value. Modern picture windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, a major selling point in Sugarland's hot Texas climate. High-quality glass options, such as double-pane or low-E coatings, help reduce heat transfer and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This can lead to lower cooling costs during long summers, something buyers appreciate when reviewing utility expenses. Energy-efficient upgrades not only appeal to environmentally conscious buyers but also signal that a home has been updated with long-term savings in mind. This perception can increase both buyer confidence and home value. Low maintenance, high appeal. Because picture windows do not open, they have fewer moving parts than other window styles. This means less wear and tear, fewer repairs, and easier maintenance over time. Buyers often favor features that promise durability and simplicity, especially families or busy professionals who want a move-in ready home. Low maintenance features contribute to a home's overall value by reducing future costs and hassles, making the property more attractive in negotiations. Enhancing modern and luxury design trends. Sugarland's real estate market continues to favor clean lines, open layouts, and modern aesthetics. Picture windows fit seamlessly into these trends, complementing both contemporary homes and traditional designs that aim for a modern refresh. They pair especially well with open-concept living areas, vaulted ceilings, and minimalist decor. Buyers shopping in higher price ranges often expect architectural features that feel upscale and intentional. Picture windows deliver that sense of refinement without overwhelming the space. A smart investment for resale. For homeowners considering resale in the near or long term, picture windows offer an excellent return on investment. They enhance visual appeal, improve energy efficiency, and align with buyer preferences, all key factors in driving higher offers and faster sales. In Sugarland's desirable neighborhoods, where competition can be strong, these advantages can make a meaningful difference. Final thoughts. Picture windows do more than brighten a room. They elevate how a home looks, feels, and performs. In Sugarland's real estate market, where buyers value comfort, style, and efficiency, this upgrade can significantly boost home value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to invest wisely in your property, picture windows are a customer-focused improvement that pays off both now and in the future.